Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to put your VTuber model from VTube Studio into Streamlabs OBS. Before we begin, make sure your VTube Studio is already open and your VTuber model is fully set up. If you don't see the menu, double tap anywhere on the VTube Studio window. You should now see icons appear on the left side of the screen. Look for the gear icon in a pink circle and click that to open settings. At the top left corner, you'll see 4 icons. Click the one that looks like a camera. Once you click it, the right side of your screen will update with more options. Scroll down until you see Virtual Webcam Config. Under that, look for Spout2 config. Turn the toggle on to activate Spout2. Now let's open Streamlabs OBS. At the bottom, look for the Sources section and click the plus icon beside it. An Add Source pop-up will appear. Under Capture Sources, look for Spout2 Capture. Select it, then click on Add Source. Another pop-up will ask you to name the source. You can enter a custom name, but I'll leave it as it is. Once you're done, click Add Source. The Spout2 Capture settings will appear. Besides Spout senders, the default option is Use First Available Sender. You can click the drop-down and manually select VTube Studio Spout if you have other VTubing apps running. And your VTuber model should now appear in Streamlabs OBS.